Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's focus is on stock market profits. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes or a seasoned trader, these insights will guide you towards making informed decisions and maximizing your returns. Segment 1: Understanding stock market profits. Let's begin with the basics. Stock market profits are the gains you make from buying stocks at a lower price and selling them at a higher price. This difference is your profit. It's crucial to grasp this concept before diving in. Segment 2: Research and Analysis. Research is your foundation. Thoroughly research companies, assess their financial health, understand their products, and keep an eye on industry trends. Informed decisions are your pathway to profit. Segment 3: Timing and Strategy. Strategic timing is essential. Buy stocks when they're undervalued, and sell when they've gained value. Develop a clear strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Segment 4: Diversification. Diversification is your safeguard. Invest across different sectors to spread risk. If one sector faces challenges, your overall portfolio remains protected. Segment 5: Tracking and Adapting. Keep a close eye on your investments. Regularly review your portfolio, and be ready to adapt if market conditions change. Staying proactive ensures you're maximizing your potential profits. Segment 6: Bonus, Risk and Reward Balance. Now, for the bonus point that can make a real difference: striking the right risk and reward balance. High-risk investments can yield high returns, but they also come with higher chances of loss. Understand your risk tolerance and align it with your profit goals. In conclusion, stock market profits are within your reach with the right knowledge and approach. Remember, patience and persistence are key. The road to consistent profits may have ups and downs, but the journey is worth it. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your success in achieving stock market profits.